Hello, my name is Ben Clark, and I am here at the ACT home office here to celebrate all the celebrations that we've done with the community over the past year.
The Union Mission Ministries, and we have a program called David Development for our young men, and we were definitely going to bring our young men and enroll them here. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you to everybody at Centura, AIM, and Tidewater Tech for all your support to help to make sure we've got the workforce in Hampton Roads to be successful.
Thank you, Paulette Thomas Collins, for doing such a great job bringing our campuses and schools and community partners together. It was a great time.
The soiree was absolutely fantastic to see all our employers, of our grads.
We discussed our scholarship opportunities, how we work with our schools. Our leadership was present. Really discussed the importance of relationships and how we will continue to do that and perpetuate that in the Hampton Roads area.
Dr. Paulette is absolutely spectacular. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
And Dr. Mike is spectacular as well. And did I mess it up? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious and infinity. So I beat you.